Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to Canada. So here's a simple workaround for that. So open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website, sign in or create a Remitly account with your details, then select Australia as your sending country, which is your sending source, and Canada as the receiving country, which is the receiving source. Then enter the amount of money you want to send in AUD, then choose the delivery method, usually bank deposit or cash pickup in Canada. Then enter your recipient full name and the bank details. You can also use or do pickup details if you are using cash pickup. Then select your payment method. You can pick debit card, credit card, or bank transfer as your payment method. Then review all the details carefully to avoid loss of funds. So make sure you review the details carefully and confirm the transfer. And that's how you can easily send money or transfer money from Australia to Canada. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide.